Now let's demonstrate how the communication line is connected. Our engineer is connecting the wires now. All of these batteries are connected with each other, and we can see this. RS485 interface A is connected to the second battery, RS485A, and all like this one. The B is connected to the B. All batteries are A connected to A, the B connected to the B. It's very easier for us to do. So you can see that all of these batteries are connected. It is very simple. Now we start the deep ADS work and turn on all the switches. The engineer is dialing each battery through the ADS program. Now we are just waiting for all the batteries to be turned on. This is the first battery's ADS. And we touch this ADS to work. This means we can through the ADS operation to name all of these batteries. Like the first battery. It was named battery number 1. And the following is number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Now we use a computer to connect the first battery. The interface for the first battery is RS232. This is a display page after we open the computer file. The pack 1 is the battery number 1. This is the status and information of all batteries. You can learn about the situation of battery from this information. If the light is green, that means everything is going well. If we click on pack 3, this page will display number 3 battery information. So this is a file of all battery information.